Hi everyone, welcome you back to SkillOholic. If you are someone who is dreaming of speaking English clearly and confidently, then this video is for you. I am introducing a 30-day challenge that will transform your English speaking skills step by step. You see, in this video, I'll be also sharing a study plan with you, a plan that will guide you to learn English alone at home. So in 2025, if you're ready to master spoken English, then watch this video till the end. So the plan that I'll be sharing includes daily goals, fun tasks, and small measurable milestones. By the end of 30 days, you'll feel more confident and ready to express yourself in English. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, we'll be working on building our foundation. In the first 1 to 5 days, you'll be focusing on strengthening your basics. You have to learn at least 10 to 15 sentences every day. Like, can you help me with this task? I am getting ready. I am getting ready for work. Can you recommend a good restaurant? Have you answered all the questions? Please be seated. Now, once you are done with this task, spend 10 minutes a day practicing pronunciation. Repeat these sentences aloud and check your pronunciation. Now, the third task that I'm sharing can help you to rectify your mistakes. So you'll be recording the sentences when you are saying those aloud. Now listen to the recording to identify the areas for improvement. This way, we will be learning a lot of sentences in just 5 days. And just imagine if I learn 15 sentences a day, then by day 5, how many sentences I am going to master. So by day 5, you are going to confidently use basic English sentences in everyday situations. Isn't that fun? Next, we'll be working on adding some new words to your vocabulary. So from day 6 to 10, you have to learn 5 to 6 new words every day related to various topics like food, travel, work, etc. Now, you have to understand your purpose of speaking English. For example, if I go to work, then I'll be working more on workplace English. If I am a student, then I'll be working more on teacher-student conversations or how to communicate with students or in classes properly. So you have to understand your purpose, and based on your purpose, you will be choosing your topics. For this, you can take help of any articles online, or you can read books. Books are a great source to find new words. You can also take help of newspapers, but those are particularly for academic or for exam purposes. So I'll be asking you to read books and online articles if you want to make this process fun and interesting. Also, I have uploaded a lot of videos on my channel where you can learn new phrases and new words. You can also take help of these videos. Now, your second task will be to use these words in sentences. For example, instead of saying, I am happy, say, I am thrilled. I am elated. Okay? See how nice it sounds. Also, if instead of saying the food is bad, you can say the food is awful. So you have to use them in sentences to learn the applications of words properly. Also, for more practice and in-depth understanding, you can write a paragraph or a diary entry using at least 10 new words. Through this process, you'll also understand whether you've learned the applications of your favorite words. Now here I get a lot of questions, ma'am, how to understand whether my sentence is correct or not. So see, there are a lot of apps nowadays from where you can spell check or correct the errors in your sentences, but don't believe in them entirely because a lot of times they are wrong and they can change the meaning of your sentence entirely. So the way you are trying to express yourself, maybe they are not trying to do the same thing there. So please check whether they have done it correctly or not. Also, if you want to learn the applications properly, you can please visit Cambridge English Dictionary online. Please visit their website online. Press on search and you will get the definitions below. Also, you will find a lot of examples using that same word. So from there, you will also learn how to put them in sentences and in proper contexts. Now, by day 10, you will have learned 25 to 30 new words and started using them in sentences. Now, for day 11 to 15, this week we'll be working on improving our listening and speaking skills. Watch English videos or cartoons like Oswald or Noddy for 15 minutes daily. Remember, first you have to turn off the subtitle, and then for better understanding, you can repeat that same part with the subtitles on. That first you have to focus on your listening ability, and then you can turn on the subtitle to note down the new words and phrases you have encountered. I have made a separate video on this. Please check those videos if you want more help and recommendations from my side. Your second task will be to pause and repeat sentences to mimic the speaker's tone and pronunciation. And your third task will be to having a short 1-minute conversation with yourself in the mirror daily. Through this, you will gain confidence to face any person in front of you. Look at yourself in the eyes and have the conversation. You will see a drastic change in yourself. You could also find a speaking buddy to practice or join an online group for English learners. And by day 15, you will notice better pronunciation and improved confidence in speaking aloud. Now, day 16 to 20 will be practicing conversations. And let's step into real life situations. Here, our game is going to be a bit challenging, but please don't give up. So your task 1 is to learn common conversation starters like, hey, how are you doing? How's everything? How's your day going? Is everything okay? Can I help you with this? So common conversation starters. Take one more step confidently and practice these conversations in real life situations like in cafes and in shops. By practicing small talk in real life situations with strangers will not only allow you to use the sentences you have learned and practiced, but will also give you an enormous amount of confidence to face people and to speak English with them. And your third task will be to challenge yourself to have at least 5 short conversations in English during these 5 days. And by day 20, you will feel more confident starting and maintaining conversations in English. And now it's time to focus on speaking smoothly and naturally. And for day 21 to 25, here are your goals. Your first task will be to practice storytelling. Share a memory or a daily experience in English. How was your day? A thing that you've noticed on a bus. Or, how was your experience on a metro today? How was your office today? A day in a mall. Or this could be about a day with your friend, a day with your colleague, a day with your mother. See, these should be random topics. You don't need to work here a lot for the topics, but that should come naturally. Things that you need to write or express to someone. Use transition words like then, after that, because, as a result, finally, moreover, to keep your sentences flowing smoothly. Your third task will be to record a video, a 2-minute video of yourself speaking about your favorite topic. And that should be, again, very random, like your favorite movie or your favorite trip. And if you have noticed, then by day 25, you'll be able to speak a few more minutes without pausing too much. And finally, let's focus on building your confidence and putting everything together. And here are your goals for day 25 to 30. So first of all, you have to remember what you have learned till date, and you need to use them in conversations and sentences now. So if you're ready, then we can start. Here's the first thing that you need to remember before proceeding with the tasks. Have a little faith in yourself and a little confidence to get started. Because today we are going to focus on having conversations and we are going to prepare a speech. So you have to use the sentences and the words you have learned till date. So please practice whatever you have learned because you are going to need them now. Now your first task. So you have to have a full 5-minute conversation. That can be with your friend or a family member or just a teacher. But if you are not able to find anyone to practice with you, then you are there for you, right? So here, you are going to be your best friend. Go in front of the mirror and have a full 5-minute conversation with yourself in English. Now, here are a few things you need to check. Please check whether you are taking too many pauses, okay? Also, please check whether you are able to express yourself clearly or not. Are you taking so much time to express yourself or to remember a word to fit in your conversation? Were you able to start and end the conversation properly? How was your body language? So please check all those things. And your second task would be to work on your body language. Have a warm smile on your face. Maintain your eye contact and speak clearly. Take care of your gestures and your voice tonality so that people don't misunderstand you. And task 3 would be to prepare and deliver a short speech in English, even if it's just for yourself or a small audience. And by day 30, you will feel confident speaking English in real-world situations. And here are some tips to make this challenge even more effective. Dedicate 30 minutes daily to this challenge. Don't skip a single day. It's a step-by-step process. Mistakes are a part of learning, so remember, don't let them discourage you. Celebrate your milestones to stay motivated. The 30-day challenge to speak English confidently. If you stick to the rules and the instructions, then you will be able to see a drastic change and improvement in yourself. And if you are ready to take on this challenge, then comment below, I am ready. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to SkillOholic for more such amazing English learning tips. Let's conquer this journey together. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy learning.